What's going on, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a super clean, super low mileage 2014 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200 This bike's got 39 miles on it. It's got a two-tone paint. The gas tank is blackened cayenne. It's like a real dark burgundy color. And then the rest of the bike is vivid black. It's got this added on sprung pan seat, chrome staggered pipes, forward controls. It's got some added on ape hanger handlebars, upgraded Harley grips, short bob fenders, fat front tire, wire wheels. I didn't see any issues with the bike as far as any scratches or anything like that. It's one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. Brand new front tire, with 39 miles. It's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly, gave it a professional detail. Got the side-mounted lay flat plate. Somebody bought this brand new in 2014 and let it just sit in their garage the entire time. They probably rode it home and that was it. 39 miles. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. A full set of detailed pictures. You can see the rest of our inventory. We do offer financing and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.